Greetings to one and all from Little Flower School, Uppal. Nelson Mandela once said, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." We, the students of LFS, would like to embark on a comparing journey through this academic year's landscapes at LFS, a testament to the collective achievements, growth, and resilience of our students, faculty, and staff. It's our privilege to present before you the splendid accomplishments and the highlights of the performance of our students in various literary, cultural, and sporting events. So sit back and witness as the academic year 2023-24 unfolds before you as we highlight the milestones of our educational landscape. This year, our school embraced the dynamic theme Inspire, Innovate, Integrate, a triad that serves as guiding principles for our educational endeavors. This theme encapsulated our commitment to fostering creativity, resilience, and adaptability among our students and the broader school community.
Academic achievements reflect the diligence and skills to perform the best of one's ability. The diligent efforts made by our students in the CBSE exams brought laurels to the school. We are pleased to share the details of the commendable performances of our students in the CBSE Class 10 Examination 2022-23. Ojashwini Desai and Vayantara topped the list with an extraordinary score of 490 out of 500, followed by K. Tanmay and Chris Alvarez, who scored 484 and 483 marks respectively. Priyanshu, Lekisha and Kaustubh stood close with 481 marks each. We, the students of LFS, have been raising the benchmark, and this year we recorded a 100% pass. The school management congratulates all the students, teachers and parents for this phenomenal academic excellence.
The faculty of LFS bid a heartfelt farewell to our esteemed correspondent, Reverend Brother Vincent Reddy, who has been an integral part of our academic community. On the other hand, we welcome Reverend Brother Arun Prakash, who took up the charge as the correspondent in June 2023. We look forward to be working under his able guidance.
As a regular practice followed every year, this academic year began with the orientation program for the parents of students of classes 1, 6 and 10. This initiative aimed to familiarize both parents and students with the school ethos, academic expectations, support systems, setting up the foundation for a year of growth and achievement.
Little Flower School believes in providing quality education to its students, and to achieve this goal, the school conducts various training programs and seminars for the teachers every academic year. These sessions focus on improving teaching and learning practices as well as exploring innovative ideas to take students to the next level of learning. On the 6th of June 2023, our school organized a dynamic classroom management and innovative ideas workshop led by resource person Mr. Gurunath Karmi. The workshop was a huge success and helped the teachers to enhance their skills and knowledge in these areas.
Sessions were conducted for parents and educators on the National Education Policy, NEP and technology innovation. The session covered various aspects of the NEP and latest technological innovations which can be incorporated into the teaching learning process for better outcomes. The session was informative and interactive, helping parents and educators to deliver quality education to the students.
The seminar titled Steps to Excel, Unlocking Your Potential by Dr. Reverend Brother Paul Raj aimed to empower the students of Class 10 with critical thinking skills. This served as a platform to equip their young minds with essential tools, insights and inspiration to excel academically and make informed decisions for their future.
A two-day seminar was conducted for the students of Class 10 on the 2nd and 3rd of January 2024. Mr. John Hemant Kumar Garu, a consultant in applied psychology, focused on stress management for students battling exam stress and anxiety. His seminar was fun-packed, humorous and interactive while giving students the message of remaining calm under pressure. On the 3rd of January 2024, a seminar on career management was conducted by Mr. Kaladhar, a representative of Page Institution. This seminar was an eye-opener for the students and opened their minds to a wide array of opportunities after class 10. He also conducted a psychometric test to help the students analyze their fields of interest.
On the occasion of International Day of Yoga and World Music Day, our school organized a special event on 21st June 2023. The chief guest of the day was Mrs. A. Samrajyam, a retired senior technical officer at CRIDA. She emphasized the importance of yoga and music in promoting holistic well-being. Students from various grades participated in the event and showcased their talents through music performances, dance shows and yoga demonstrations. The event was a great success and helped students to appreciate the significance of these two forms of art. The most auspicious ceremonial occasion of the school, the investiture ceremony for the academic year 2023-24 was celebrated on 24 June 2023, where the student leaders were bestowed with responsibilities and authorities by our principal, Reverend Brother Joseph Pasala. This ceremony aimed not only to recognize the leadership qualities within our students, but also instills a sense of responsibility and commitment to service. Our institution conducted the Montfort Youth Leadership Seminar, Miles for the students. This event was presided over by our guest speaker, Brother Sebastian, whose talk was aimed at instilling leadership skills among the students. The seminar covered various topics including communication, decision making, problem solving, and team building. The seminar was highly interactive and engaging. The students actively participated in the seminar and learned new skills and techniques. Overall, the seminar was highly beneficial for the students, helping them to become better equipped to face the challenges of the future.
A seminar was conducted for the Catholic students of classes 6 to 10 by Reverend Brother Rocky, Reverend Brother Avinash and Reverend Brother Dilip Kumar. The seminar focused on inculcating the qualities that enable students to stay rooted in their faith and have an enriching relationship with God.
LFS was privileged to host an inter-school table tennis tournament and the first ever state-level table tennis tournament on 2nd and 3rd August and on 4th, 5th and 6th of August 2023 respectively. Mr. V. Salveshwar Reddy, Additional Director of Tribal Welfare, Telangana State, presided the inter-school table tennis tournament as the chief guest. The state-level table tennis tournament was graced by Mr. B.T. Subhash Reddy, MLA of Uppal, as the chief guest and a host of other dignitaries. The tournament saw enthusiastic participation from young sports stars and showcased their skills and their indomitable spirit of sportsmanship.
LFS celebrated the 77th Independence Day with true patriotic fervor as the ceremonial flag was hoisted by the Honorable Chief Guest Lieutenant Colonel Rakesh Kumar, Commanding Officer, 5T Battalion NCC. The event kindled a sense of love for the country within the children and reminded us of the immense sacrifices of our courageous martyrs.
In the realm of education, fostering creativity and a love for literature is of paramount importance. To achieve this goal, Little Flower School organized the Montfort Literary Festival on the 18th of August 2023. This event brought together a diverse array of talented students from various schools, fostering an atmosphere of literary exploration, collaboration and spirited competition. We are pleased to share that LFS Uppal secured the highest number of points and bagged the overall championship trophy.
Holy Mass was celebrated in June and December to invoke God's blessings for smooth functioning of school and as part of thanksgiving for the blessings bestowed upon us for a heartwarming Christmas season.
It is not how much we give, but how much love we put into giving that matters. LFS believes in inculcating the spirit of charity in each one of its students. And to accomplish this, students of Class 8 were taken to visit the old age home Sneha Nilayam at Suryapet. Our students spent quality time with the inmates and brought joy to their hearts. They also donated the items collected at school.
The celebrations for Teachers' Day at our school was held on 5th September 2023 with great enthusiasm and gaiety. The day was marked by cultural fair by our students, which included dance performances, skits and speeches highlighting the significance of that day. The teachers were overwhelmed with love and affections of their students and were touched by the heartfelt expression of gratitude. The day ended with a sense of pride and satisfaction for the teachers. We are happy to announce that Little Flower School Uppal has been accorded with approval for NCC under 5T Battalion, NCC Hyderabad. NCC was officially inaugurated in LFS on the 12th of September 2023. Lieutenant Colonel Rakesh Kumar, the commanding officer of 5T Battalion, presided the occasion as chief guest, and Lieutenant Colonel Lakshman Ganesh graced the occasion as the guest of honor. The ribbon-cutting ceremony of the new NCC quarters heralded the dawn of a new and exciting journey for the students of LFS.
The Hindi Divas celebrations at our school were held on September 14, 2023. It was a wonderful opportunity to promote our national language and instill a sense of pride in our rich linguistic heritage. The chief guest of the day, Mr. Ujjwal Yalme, a junior lecturer from Government Junior College, shared the importance of preserving our languages.
Telugu Bhasha Dinotsavam is a celebration that honors the linguistic and cultural heritage of all the Telugu-speaking people across the world. 21st September is the reminder of the historical significance and the enduring beauty of the Telugu language. The chief guest, Ms. Chigurala Padma, the Telugu faculty at the Andhra Mahila Sabha, reiterated the significance of the Telugu literature and urged everyone to look forward towards the future with the commitment to promoting and preserving the Telugu language and all that it represents.
The students and staff of Little Flower were delighted and honored to welcome Provincial Superior of Pune Province, Reverend Brother Jacob Garvasis, on 2nd October 2023. He conducted counseling sessions for the students of class 10 and motivated them in the aspects of goal setting. He reiterated the importance of career building right from an early age. The staff of LFS was also overwhelmed by the graceful and dynamic presence of Brother Jacob Garvasis, as he motivated the teachers to take LFS to the pinnacle of quality education.
In an enriching collaboration, LFS hosted the Global Education Excellence Program with the Montfortian Institution from Thailand on 4th of October. The contingent included Brother Nicholas, Brother Bala Shauri and the teaching faculty members. This program marked a significant stride in promoting cultural exchange, fostering global understanding and enhancing the educational experience for all the participants. Little Flower School bloomed with joy and laughter as we celebrated Children's Day with great enthusiasm. The birthday of Chacha Nairoji was duly commemorated and the day was marked by a series of lively and engaging activities. The heart of celebration was unfolded in the form of cultural programs organized by the teachers. Colorful performances ranging from traditional dances to modern skits captivated the audience and brought smiles to the faces of all little stars.
In a quest to enrich the educational experience, Little Flower School organized an educational tour for the students of classes 6 to 10 during the Dasara vacation. They enjoyed a delightful 8-day tour to Jaipur, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer and Delhi, which gave them an opportunity to visit places of significant historical importance such as the Mehrangarh Fort, Umaid Bhavan Palace, Jaisalmer Fort, Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Qutub Minar and many more. The tour aimed to transcend traditional classroom learning and provide students with exposure to historical, cultural and scientific aspects, fostering experiential learning and a deeper understanding of the world around them. The students of class 8 to 10 embarked on an excursion to Dudhwa National Park during the Christmas vacation. They enjoyed camping and gained information about tiger habitats and characteristics. They also visited exciting locations in the border of Nepal and visited places of significant historical importance.
It gives us immense pride to state that Little Flower School won several laurels medals and accolades this academic year 2023-24. The Catholic Laity Association of Archdiocese of Hyderabad felicitated the outstanding institutions for academic excellence for the year 2023. The Cardinal Pula Anthony presented these awards. We are delighted to announce that under schools category, Little Flower School Uppal bagged the second place. In a survey conducted by Education Today, Little Flower School Uppal was awarded the #1 rank in India under the category CBSE parameter-wise for co-curricular education. It was yet another feather in the LFS cap when the Center for Educational Development Bharat Institutions ranking 2022-23 awarded our school with the 4th rank in the city and the 12th rank in Telangana state under the category of Best Emerging Schools. A hearty congratulations to the staff of Little Flower School for their exemplary dedication and hard work.
The 23rd Montfort Literary and Cultural Festival was hosted by St. John's School, Gannavaram from 3rd November 2023 to 6th November 2023. This prestigious event was attended by a large number of schools and our students bagged various prizes in both literary and cultural aspects. Aaron Stanley of Class 10D bagged the first place in Instrumental Music, Light Rhythm category. T. Vindhya Reddy of Class 8D bagged the first place in Telugu Picture Speaks category.
Little Flower School participated in the melange of events at the Mini Molecule Fest held at All Saints High School on the 25th of November 2023. Our students won several prizes in the cultural and literary categories of this event.
Little Flower School participated in the well-renowned Mini Montfort Sports and Games, which was conducted by St. Gabriel's High School, Kazipet. Our students proved their mettle and demonstrated exemplary sportsmanship. Here are the achievements of our sports champions. E. Vivek of Class 10 bagged the gold medal for 100 meters race in the senior boys category. P. Joshua of Class 10 bagged the gold medal for long jump in the senior boys category. Arnav of Class 10 secured the gold medal for shot put in the senior boys category. Akshaya of Class 8 secured the gold medal for 100 meters race in the junior girls category. Sai Sri of Class 8 bagged the gold medal for both 100 meters race and long jump in the junior girls category. A. Bhavana of Class 7 bagged the gold medal for shot put in the junior girls category. LFS girls and boys bagged the first place for basketball tournament in both senior and junior categories. Our girls also bagged the first place in the volleyball tournament in the senior girls category. Chess prodigy G. Saranya secured the first place in the chess competition. Rohan of Class 8 and Rishik of Class 5 bagged the first position for badminton in the juniors category. Our sports champions performed exceedingly well and claimed the overall championship trophy.
Our students have gathered rich laurels for our school in diverse events conducted in sports, literary and cultural categories throughout this year. We are pleased to inform you that our students stood out in the inter-school competition Udbhav at Delhi Public School, Nadargul. Students of Class 9 and 10 bagged the first place for street play competition. Our Little Flower masterminds, Master C.H. Vihar of Class 10 and Anna Teresa Jose of Class 9 amassed great accolades for our school. At the inter-province competition of 3rd All India Association of Montfort Schools Eureka Quiz 2023 inter-province competition, Master C.H. Vihar of Class 10 and Anna Teresa Jose of Class 9 bagged the first place. The dynamic duo secured the first runner-ups and won a cash prize of Rs 8,000 at the Reverend Brother Birchman's Memorial Inter-School Quiz Competition at St. Paul's High School, Hyderabad. It gives us immense pride to share with you that our students C.H. Vihar, K. Prahlad, Sai Shashank of Class 10 and Anna Teresa Jose of Class 9 were qualified for the semi-finals of the Battle of Minds, which is the largest inter-school quiz competition conducted by the Indian Army, commemorating 25 years of Kargil victory. They won a cash prize of Rs 1,35,000 and were also presented with a tab each. Our students won the 3rd prize and bagged the award for the best model in the on-stage and rescue overline competition held at Pune on 27 January 2024. In the CBSE Heritage India Quiz Competition held at New Delhi in January 2024, our quizzing wizards CH Vihar, K Prahalad and Anna Teresa Jose performed exceedingly well and bagged the third position in the national level.
In the IT quiz competition, TechnoQuest conducted by the All Saints High School, our students performed brilliantly and bagged prizes in all the categories. B. Advitya of class 8 and V. Geeta Krishna of class 10 won the first place and a cash prize of ₹1000 each for their impressive PowerPoint presentation. D. Michael of class 4 and V. Abhiram of class 5 won the first place and a cash prize of ₹1000 each in the sub-juniors category. In the juniors category, Y. Akshit of class 6 and K. Harshal Joshua of class 7 bagged the third place and cash prize of ₹500 each. In the seniors category, N. Vishwak Sai of class 9 and C.H. Ritvik of class 8 were placed in the second position and won a cash prize of ₹750 each. In the HTML coding category, Kevin Tejas of class 10 and P. Joel Abhinav of class 9 bagged the second prize and a cash prize of ₹750 each. We are delighted to share that our LFS Tech Wizards stood tall and bagged the overall championship trophy.
Our students Sai Praneeth of class 8, Mohammad Fauzan, N. Vishwak Sai of class 9 and K. Kartikeya of class 10 excelled in the Inspired Manak Awards 2023-24 conducted by the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India and bagged ₹10,000 each for their outstanding ideas. Akash Mohan of class 9 got an opportunity to spend 2 weeks with scientists at CCMB as a part of the Young Innovators program for the year 2023. This program provided an excellent platform for hands-on learning as students got the exposure to work along with scientists in their research work on issues like cancer, HIV, etc. The Atal India Marathon 2023 provides students the opportunity to come up with creative, sustainable solutions for real-time issues faced by our nation. Our students of class 10, Kevin Tejas, VJK Mahindran, K. Prahalad and K. Anandmai built prototypes and presented their solution on problems faced by an average Indian farmer. They were selected among the top 400 teams all over India and are now qualified in the second round.
It gives us immense pleasure to inform you that our school performed exceedingly well and grabbed several prizes in the inter-school competition Udbhav conducted at Delhi Public School, Nadargul. Deepya Reddy of class 4 secured the first place for collage making competition. Alona Ann Matthews of class 5 bagged the first place for stone painting competition. Yuvan Agarwal of class 8 secured the first place in vegetable carving competition. K. Suvarna of class 9 secured the first place for jute craft. Divya Barade of class 9 secured the first place in serial art. Tasmia Fatima of class 9 bagged the first prize in fabric painting. Under group singing Western category, our students from classes 5 and 6 and classes 7th and 8th bagged the first prize. Under group singing with instrument fusion category, our students from classes 9th and 10th performed excellently and bagged the first place. Ritika Elias of class 7 bagged the first prize for solo singing Western. Jakain of class 5 secured the first place for solo instrumental category. Rudransh Murthy of class 3 bagged the first prize in solo dance Western for classes 3 and 4. In the Platinum Jubilee Inter-School competitions held at Little Flower High School, Abbots, D. Michael of class 4 bagged the first prize for paper plate painting. Shruti Prakasha of class 8 bagged the first prize in semi-classical solo dance competition held at Secunderabad Public School. Students of class 7th and 8th secured the first position for the Western Group Dance competition held at Secunderabad Public School.
LFS sports stars continue to showcase their athletic skills, technique and resilience at various sporting events conducted throughout this academic year. In the under-11 boys category, V. Srini Reddy of class 5 bagged the first place in the state ranking table tennis tournament held at Little Flower High School, Abbots. He also bagged the first place in the inter-school table tennis tournament sub-junior boys singles category held at Little Flower School, Uppal. G. Praman and Y. Chandrahas of class 7 bagged the third place and won a cash prize of ₹1,500 each in the under-13 boys category of the state ranking table tennis tournament conducted by Little Flower School, Uppal. Y. Chandrahas and G. Rakshit of class 7 bagged the first place and a cash award of ₹7,000 in the junior boys category of the inter-school table tennis tournament conducted by Secunderabad Public School. In the senior boys category, V. Senior and Y. Chandra Haas of classes 7 and 5 bagged the second place and a cash award of Rs 3,000 in the inter-school table tennis tournament conducted by Secunderabad Public School. Y. Chandra Haas also bagged the gold medal in the inter-school table tennis tournament held at Secunderabad Public School.
Our mastermind G. Sharnya of class 9 has won great laurels to our school. She secured national championship at All India FIDE rating chess for under 15 girls category. In the national level chess championship 2024 held at Gyan Bhavan Patna, she represented Telangana state and has bagged 4th position in the 12th national school chess championship 2024 in the under 15 girls category. Sharanya and V.R. Reddy of class 9 have secured first place in the Platinum Jubilee Inter-School competition held at Little Flower High School, Abbots. In the under 13 category, G. Praman of class 7 has secured 3rd position and bagged a cash prize of Rs 1,500 in the state ranking table tennis tournament held at St. Paul's High School.
In the athletic meet conducted by Hyderabad District Athletic Association, LFS students grabbed a few important prizes and were selected to the state level athletic championships. In the under 12 girls category, K. Sri Ratnika of class 7 bagged the gold medal for 100 meters running and long jump. In the under 14 girls category, K. Sai Sri of class 8 bagged the gold medal for 100 meters running. Hriday of class 4 won the gold medal for long jump in the under 10 boys category. K. Smaran Reddy of class 2 won the gold medal for broad jump in under 8 boys category. In the under 8 category for boys 300-meter running, Ritvik of class 2 bagged the gold medal.
Inculcating ecological awareness is an integral part of being a responsible citizen. At LFS, students of classes 6 and 7 participated in the Conserve My Planet program, which instilled the young minds with a sense of responsibility towards the environment. A series of competitions were conducted as a part of this program and our students won prizes in various categories.
Class picnics were organized for the students of classes 1 to 10 on the 28th of November. Students enjoyed a thrilling day out to various exciting locations. It was a day filled with fun and frolic and a welcome break from the regular classroom activity.
The staff of LFS rejuvenated themselves with a day off at Cities Nature Resort on the 29th of November. Teachers spent a quality time with their peers and immersed themselves in activities like water sports and friendly competitions.
The Christmas spirit was ushered in with joy, good cheer and grandiosity at Little Flower School. The festivities for the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ were marked by melodious carols, cutting of cake and other cultural fare presented by the students. The staff of Little Flower School, Little Flower Junior College and Little Flower Degree College joined for a combined Christmas celebration that spread camaraderie and fostered unity and goodwill within the Little Flower family.
The annual sports day at Little Flower School held on 12th January 2024 featured distinguished guests including Mr. B. Maria Kumar, retired DGP of Madhya Pradesh as the chief guest, Dr. Ashish Chauhan, a diabetologist at Apollo as special invitee, G. Praveen Kumar Garu and Venkata Subramaniam Garu as the guests of honor. The event kicked off with a grand guard of honor by NCC students and a torch lighting ceremony, followed by a range of sports activities and performances showcasing the students' diverse talents. The program showcased a visual feast of mass drill, aerobics, yoga karate and folk dance, illustrating the students' diverse talents and dedication.
On 20th January 2024, the air at LFS was charged with excitement and effervescent mood permeated through the portals of LFS as we organized a unique food festival and talent show. The event was a delightful blend of delicious food and remarkable talent of our students and their parents. The event was a magnificent success and left everyone in eager anticipation for the next year's festivities.
On the auspicious occasion of Republic Day, our school came alive with the spirit of patriotism and achievement as we celebrated the Republic Day and Awards Day on the 26th of January. Our school took the opportunity to recognize and honor the dedicated efforts of our students. Our chief guest for the day was Dr. T. Mahinder Reddy, Professor and HOD of Forensic Medicine at Kamilini Academy of Medical Science, and parents of our BSPL and GSPL graced the occasion as the guests of honor.
Brothers' Day was celebrated on 31st January to mark the birthday of our founder, Saint Louis Marie Grignion de Montfort. The day began with a solemn prayer service where heartfelt tributes were paid to Saint Montfort and the countless contributions of the Montfortian brothers to the field of education. Through hymns, readings and reflections, the school community is reminded of the profound impact that the brothers have had on shaping minds, nurturing souls and building a better world.
Students of Class 9 hosted a grand farewell for the outgoing batch of Class 10 on 9 February 2024. The day was marked by an array of cultural fare like dances, games, etc. organized by the juniors in their endeavor to make the significant day a truly cherished one for their seniors. The day was filled with nostalgic moments as the outgoing batch looked back at the sweet memories of their alma mater. It was indeed a day that will remain treasured in everyone's hearts.
That's all from Team LFS until next year. We sincerely hope that we presented Little Flower in all its splendor. The LFS management and staff strives relentlessly in providing a perfect learning ambience to all its students, transforming them into confident and empowered ambassadors of change. We sincerely thank our correspondent, Reverend Brother Arun Prakash, our principal, Reverend Brother Joseph, our financial administrator, Reverend Brother M.A. George, and the staff members for the timely support and guidance rendered in bringing this presentation to you all. Thank you.